We don't have a break from the rain for the next few days. So I went over to the dirt pile and grabbed a bunch of dirt and gravel. This is just getting to be a bit too much. So I'm just filling in some of these low areas with this dirt and gravel, and then I might lay down the tiles. Although I should get that grass cloth first, that weed cloth or whatever it's called. But anyhow, I'm tired of all this mud. Poor dogs. Poor me. So I'll get back to work. Got my little Salvation Army shovel helping me out. Army surplus shovel, not Salvation Army. Okay, this is what I got to so far. Hi, Birdie. Birdie's having some salad. So I filled in this area, which was severely underwater. And over here, I put down these plastic deck boards. So I might get some more. But really, that was one of my worst areas, was right there. So, and right in front of here. So I don't know if I'll get more deck boards or not. I guess I'll wait and see how this works out. Birdie, why are you eating grass? You'll get a tummy ache. Yes, you will. You'll get a tummy ache. And that's just going to have to be the way it is over here. So maybe the dogs will just kind of jump around and avoid the water. But at least now it's not directly in front of the gate anymore. Hopefully it will stop raining soon. Birdie. Birdie, why are you eating the grass? 'Cause I can, 'cause I can. Okay, so I have my plants back out. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And I bought some more potting soil because the airplane plant needs to be planted and the alyssum under here needs to be planted. But I have to get out my drill and drill holes in the bottoms of those pots. So I'll do that tomorrow. There's my potting soil. Under the tarp are 4 bags of topsoil for my dog yard. Sure, I'm glad I have this dolly. It's been a lifesaver. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do all this. And there's some more plants. So hopefully everything will start blooming again soon. Another one. And I've got to clean out this area. But my focus is the dog yard. I got some more gravel and spread it out yesterday. So, and I bought the topsoil to throw on top of that. And I went out looking for grass pallets today, but there aren't any available today. So I'll have to, hopefully maybe I can get some tomorrow. They said because of all the rains, they haven't been able to collect the grass or what have you. So look how dirty my stepway is already. That's okay, I expected that. So, and the rest of this grass needs mowed, but it's wet. So anyhow, so there will be a part 2 to this video as I put down the grass pallets. And as part of the greenhouse, I took the greenhouse down yesterday. Yay. So it was right here. And I'm sure my neighbor will be happy about that too, because she gets a little bit more space to move around over here. And My bike is on a tarp. I want to get a small pallet or make something to set it on top of and get a bike bag. So the rose bush is rosing. And over there is where I got my gravel from. And I flipped my bird bath upside down and put a plant on it for now. There's a couple more plants. So spring is here. Yay, finally. I don't think we'll have any more 30-degree nights. I just hope the rain stops for a while so I can get all this cleaned up because I've got mud everywhere. So I will show you part 2 when I get some pallets and get them down. Catch y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.